My name is Paulina Tesno, and I am the production designer on Fly By Night. I am in charge of the art department, looking after visuals. So every scene that we do, every location we go to, that's a set. So I will go there ahead of time. I'll go to the location scout and see what's there, what needs change, if we need to rearrange furniture, bring any furniture there.
I'm Maggie Sugg, and I'm the locations manager for Fly By Night. Usually the location process is that in pre-production you find all your locations and then you lock them. So I usually call and they're usually really interested. I'll call and explain hey, we're making a movie like Kent State does one every other summer, and they're usually really interested, and I usually just have to tell them our story and the movies we've done. And then if they're more interested, I'll come to them and have a meeting with them. They'll look over the location agreement and then they usually sign it. It was really hard trying to find a police station, and it was really hard trying to find a jail cell, just because those are government facilities that are used 24/7. They don't have any closed business hours, so that's been really hard.
Something like this is our police station. This took a long time. When we came here, we saw a big room with a lot of cubicles and really horrible red flooring. But we got carpet, we rolled it out, we took all these cubicles out, brought them back in, rearranged them, set just this entire place. It was definitely the most extensive thing that my department has done. But in the end, I think it paid off, and I'm really happy with it.
My name is Saleh Hidalgo, and I am the property master for Fly By Night. I'm in charge of overseeing all the different props that are used. Depending on location, it can make it easier because there are some cases maybe if it's a store or something, you want a lot of things, but it'd be easier if the location provided it, so that way you could just use that instead of having to buy multiple amounts.
So I work really closely with the props department. Mostly a prop is anything that is directly in the script that is interacted with by the character. So when Andrew is taking notes in a notepad, that's a prop. The guns, that's a prop. Anything that it says the character interacts with are props. What I do is kind of fill in the blanks. In an office, what do you see? The desks aren't empty, you see folders, you see binders, you see paperwork. My department is about making the space look like people live there. It's about making the set come alive.
Action.
How about them browns?
2 peanuts, we're walking down the street. One was assaulted.
The saw and then
I got it,
cut right in the sternum, and then you're gonna have to clamp it and crack it.
I want a rib spread.
Your face is...
You're gonna have
I want to
a
spread
rib
some
spreader.
ribs.
Well, first we gotta
I
teach you
can't
the
see.
terminology for sure.
Spread some ribs.
Yeah.
Start just poking
If
away.
you say a rib spreader in that
It'd be
room,
like, yeah,
they're for sure gonna, yeah, you're gonna blow up your cover.